Today we are going to see Mux Emails plugin in action. So let's get started. Click on the Add New button, and in the Search Plugins section, we are going to search for Mux Email. We're gonna install and activate it, and you can see that our plugin is now installed and ready to use. So we can either click on the settings section to open the settings of our Mux Email plugin, or we can go to the Woocommerce tab and then from there navigate to Mux Emails tab. Once here, you can see that the app requires you to enter an API key. So you need to enter the API key of your Mux Email account. This is required to establish a connection between your Woocommerce store and your Mux Email account. So we're gonna navigate to our Mux Email account. Copy one API key, paste it. When I click on this button, this is going to search for all the workspaces which are associated with this API key and list it here. So let's just use this workspace, Woocommerce demo. Hit this connect button, and yeah, as you can see that I'm currently logged into my Woocommerce demo workspace account, and any customer sync which will happen from my Woocommerce store into this particular workspace. I can log out if I don't want to sync my Woocommerce customers into this workspace and connect a different workspace. Now let's go to the contacts page. This is where you decide which tags to assign to your contacts and which information about your customers to save. So we're gonna select this tab, and we are going to save some additional information about our customers, such as billing address line 1, which we are going to map it to address line 1. The column you see on the left hand side are Woocommerce customer attributes, and the column you see on the right hand side are Mux Email customer attributes. You need to map the Woocommerce customer attributes to their correct or respective Mux Email contact attributes. Next thing which I want to do is maybe have an idea of what's the average order value each customer is placing. And next thing which I might want to know is what's the total spend a customer is actually doing. So we're gonna go with total order price here, and I'm gonna hit this apply button. Settings have been saved successfully, and now I'm gonna click on sync my customers button. As you can see, the sync process has started, and the sync is going to keep on happening in the background, and it's going to take some time depending on the number of customers you have inside your Woocommerce store. But all the customers you see inside your Woocommerce store will be synced into your Mux Email account